Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to follow a store on AliExpress. Now, what you want to do, you want to find any product that you want. So let me go ahead and click on this product as an example. And you want to scroll down and you will find the store information just below the Q&A section here. And you'll see it shows the store name and it says visit store. So you click on visit store, it's going to take you over to the store page. You can also find coupons there. You can find everything related to the store there. But on the upper right, you will find this red button that says follow. You click and follow, and that's how you follow a store. Now, you may be wondering, okay, well, after I follow the store, how do I keep track? How do I find these store details afterwards? Then you can easily find that under your account. So once you're on the home page, just simply click in my account. And then on the second row here, you will find this icon that says followed stores. And you can click that. It's going to show you the stores that you actually follow. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.